I'm Tori. I'm a technician here at ASA Electronics. Some of the common calls that I get are on this JWM22. Specifically, it seems to come on by itself. There's a soft reset on the front, but I prefer that you go in through the system menu and just clear all previous settings that may have been set before. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the system reset. Again, that's going to clear anything that may have been set in there before. It's going to help with common questions like audio out, coming on by itself, setting an alarm, clearing an alarm. We'll cover all of those things, and simply the reset through the menu will clear that for you. There's two ways to reset the JWM22. On the outside front of the radio, you'll see a reset button. This is still a viable option and useful for some things. However, we would like to introduce you to the reset through the software. If this is what your display looks like, you can see that you have an alarm set and no speakers on. The complaint for this call would be, my radio seems to come on by itself and I have no audio output. Doing just a soft reset on the front of the radio is not designed to change your preferred settings. Today we're going to show you how to go in and do a system reset, which is the preferred method. Press and hold zone B, press repeatedly until you see reset, then give the play pause button a quick tap in the corner. Now you can see the radio came back on, both of your speaker zones are now turned on, and the alarm is off. At a quick glance on the screen on this radio, you can see that both zone A and B speakers are on and the alarm is on. If you wanted to turn off one zone, simply press that zone and it will change to speaker off. Notice the difference. Now it's only zone B on. Same thing with zone B. Speaker off. And it's cleared from here. With both speakers being off or nothing indicated for the speaker zone, you would have no audio out. One zone on, you would only have audio from the right or left side or possibly front or rear of the trailer. Turning both speakers on gives you that surround sound. Also, when looking at this radio, you can see the word alarm. If the alarm word is there, then the alarm is on. Remember, a soft reset using a ballpoint pen did not clear our alarm. This is when we need to go into the system menu and do a reset, or I'll show you how to turn it off using the alarm option. In this scenario on the front of the radio, you'll see that the alarm on is there. We can go into the system menu and we can clear that, or we can use the time option on the front of the radio. Simply press and hold time, alarm on, now alarm off. Alarm on, alarm off. Remember, when doing a reset, regardless if it's through the reset button on the front or using the zone B option, the radio does need to be powered on.